Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're whipping up a delicious and nutritious breakfast that's perfect for weight management and overall health. If you're looking for something that's easy to make, packed with flavor, and can keep you satisfied all morning, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into our ingredients. We're going to need half ripe mango, half cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds soaked overnight, a drizzle of honey for sweetness, sliced mango to top it all off. All right, let's get started. First, take that ripe mango and cut it into chunks. We want it to be super fresh and juicy. Next, blend the mango with the coconut milk until it's smooth and creamy. This will be the base of our breakfast. Once blended, pour it into a bowl. Now grab those soaked chia seeds that you prepared overnight. They are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, making them perfect for keeping you full and energized throughout the day. Now let's add the chia seeds to our mango coconut mixture. Stir it gently to combine all the ingredients. And here comes the fun part. Drizzle in some honey. This will add a touch of sweetness to balance the flavors. Mix it all together until it's well combined. Now for the finishing touch. Take those extra mango slices and arrange them beautifully on top of your mixture. Not only do they add a lovely crunch, but they also make your breakfast look Instagram worthy. This breakfast is not just delicious, it's also incredibly nutritious. Chia seeds help with weight management by keeping you full longer, while mangoes provide essential vitamins and antioxidants. Plus, the coconut milk gives it a creamy texture without the extra calories. So there you have it, our mango chia breakfast bowl. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy meal ideas. And don't forget to share your creations with us on social media. Tag us using #HealthyBreakfastChallenge.